Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I did tree braids in my hair again for the third time. Can you say 3 times the charm? So literally, well, you know what, 4 times. So I just did jumbo ones a couple weeks ago. Anyway, so if you want to see how I did these this time, got this beautiful blend of color, keep on watching. I kept them nice and long this time. So what you're looking at right now is a week old, but a little over a week old, but keep on watching so you guys can see exactly how I did these time. I did the parts a lot bigger, so it did not take no time at all. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I did do the jumbo size this time, you guys. If you look at my channel, I have 2 other videos. No, I have 3 other videos that I did with tree braids, but this one I am going to, let you guys see as well. I said every time I do this hairstyle, I learn something new, so I want to upload it each and every time. These ones are large size, not jumbo, large size, and they were really easy to do. They didn't take that much time. They took me probably like 4 to 5 hours. I didn't do them straight, but 4 to 5 hours in total. And I did the same process of leaving 2 strands of hair out on each plait, which you'll see, and I only braid down into where my hair stops, a little bit past where my hair stops. So you guys will get to see that in just a moment. The parting I did was pretty simple. The front of it, I wanted to do a parting that I could flip on either side, and it's still like it's a straight part, so you'll see that. This is one of my easy breezy hairstyles. I love to do this because it does last for a while and it's super cute, and I can just play with the colors. And the color this time I did the blend, I absolutely love this blend that I did. I used all the same colors I did before, but the blend is just like super bomb and on fire this time. So you see I played it down probably about 5 times, and I took a piece of curly hair out of the plait and then continue to plait down. And you'll see that I'm going to again release 1 more piece of curly hair. And literally only 2 pieces of curly hair I am removing from the actual plait. So you'll see that. And in addition to, I'm only plaiting down to where my real hair stops. Let me correct myself. I'm plaiting down a little bit past where my real hair stops. And that's it. And there's a second piece of hair. You see me taking it apart, and I do select random pieces of curly hair to remove so that I am not just taking the same color out, because I want to have that variety of color within the curly pieces of hair that I'm having hanging out the plaits. So here you see I'm plaiting down to where the plait actually ends. I am going to seal this with some nail glue. You can tie a knot, or you can use a rubber band, or you can use some nail glue like I'm going to do. And it seals it and keeps it sealed the entire time that I have my hairstyle in. And here you see me using that nail glue. Yep, it works perfectly fine. It doesn't get on my real hair. It doesn't do any damage to my hair. So nail glue it is for me. I do clip off any excess hair, flyaways, and things of that sort. I do that throughout the process of me braiding the hair. But at the end, I do customize my entire hair because it always is a lot of hair at the end. And I don't want to like a lion with all the curls. But this was the finished look. And as you see, I do need to cut a little bit off. I did keep them long this time. Usually I cut it down to maybe a little bit past the actual shoulder length, but this time I kept them nice and long. And I actually love this very full look, you guys. When I do my ponytails up or down, it looks super dope, super cute. And yes, I need to cut it. So I did cut it here, and as you can see, it is a little bit of dulled down a little bit. It's not as bushy, and it's not as it's still very full. I can't even say it's not as full, but looks great, and I love this. I had wore this hairstyle to a bridal shower, and everybody was like, "Oh my gosh, look at your hair!" The blend of these curls, you guys. Look at the blend of this color. It's so freaking nice. I'm going to list the colors and the packs that I use in the description box for you guys, because everyone always asks me, what color did you use? How many packs? I'm going to put it in the description box for you guys, so it'll be there. This color is Deep Twist by FreeTress. I also use this Cantu oil that's super duper good, this serum. And I like the nozzle that it has because you can easily just apply it in your scalp. But it also helps with itchiness, dryness, soreness. I never have itchiness, dryness, soreness, but I don't want to either. So I use this product, and It's amazing. I'll link it down below. So this time around, I wanted to show you guys how I wrap my hair at nighttime. So I literally put it up in a ponytail, and then I place the hair in like a bun, as you see me doing here. Super, super simple, super easy, but it's better to keep the hair in like a bun versus just laying all over it, because if you just lay on the hair, it will get messy and meshed up and tangled, and nobody has time for that because this is synthetic hair. So I put a scarf around my head, and I put a large bonnet, which I'll link down below as well. I got off Amazon. And over my entire hair. It thoroughly secures it. This is a silk bonnet. It's perfect for this hair. And I'm off to bed. It works perfectly. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any questions you guys have, list it down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.